What are some effective methods for removing skunk odor from a house?
Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a quite unpleasant problem: skunk odor in your home. We all know how overpowering that smell can be, and it's crucial to remove it effectively. So, let's dive in and look at some tried and tested methods to clean your home of that notorious stench.
What causes the skunk smell?
The first thing to understand is why skunk smell is so potent. Skunks produce a defensive spray from glands near their tail. This spray contains sulfur compounds, which have a very strong and offensive odor. The smell can infiltrate your home and cling to surfaces, making it notoriously hard to remove.
Preparation.
Before we start removing the odor, you'll need a few items. Gather baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, vinegar, bowls, and fans. Remember, the sooner you start the cleanup, the better. Skunk odor can become more challenging to remove the longer it stays.
Ventilate your home.
The first step to removing the odor is to open all windows and doors to ventilate your home. Fresh air is one of the most effective natural odor neutralizers. If possible, set up fans to blow air out of the windows and bring fresh air in.
DIY skunk odor remover.
While there are commercial skunk odor removers available, you can also make an effective one at home. Mix 1 quart of 3% hydrogen peroxide, 1/4 cup of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of dish soap. This mixture creates a chemical reaction that neutralizes skunk odor. Sponge this solution onto affected areas, then rinse and let it dry. Be cautious though, it may bleach colored materials.
Using vinegar.
Another helpful ingredient is vinegar. Fill bowls with vinegar and distribute them around your home. Vinegar absorbs the skunk odor, gradually reducing the smell in your house. Moreover, you can use a solution of vinegar and water to wipe down hard surfaces. And there you have it. With these effective methods, you can surely win the battle against skunk odor in your home. It might take some time and a bit of elbow grease, but you'll be able to breathe easy in your own home once again. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, patience and persistence are your best friends in this task. Stay tuned for more useful tips.